Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.57. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.39%. This equates to an average return of 0.34% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the upper section of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an attractive selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $528.59 would indicate an increased rate of ascent. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is a suggested potential change of 2.37% over the next 3 months, with an estimated return ranging from negative 6.32% to positive 2.73%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 31.52% over the next year, with a possible return between 23.22% and 36.92%. This translates to a projected price range of $649.07 to $721.20 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for VOO. The VOO ETF price increased by nearly 0.3% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, rising from $525.17 to $526.74. Throughout the trading day, the ETF showed a fluctuation of 0.6%, with a day low at $523.39 and a day high reaching $526.84. The price has risen on 8 of the last 10 days and has experienced a gain of 4.45% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 179,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, leading to a total of 4 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $2 billion and $10 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $526.84, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price stands at 0.02% or 10 cents below the 52-week high of $526.84, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Warren Buffett's endorsement of exchange-traded funds, including the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known by its ticker VOO, is generating significant interest among investors. With Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway holding 2 ETFs that mirror the S&P 500, there is growing optimism about VOO potentially rising amidst market changes. Current insights suggest that the S&P 500 recently reached an all-time high, although some valuation metrics indicate it may be becoming overpriced. However, as the Federal Reserve begins a cycle of interest rate cuts, historical trends show that the S&P typically experiences positive performance following such decisions, which may create a favorable environment for VOO in both the short and long term. Moreover, As the political landscape shifts with the upcoming elections, uncertainties arising from differing proposals by candidates could impact market volatility. Nonetheless, the resilience of VOO, which is set to benefit from gains among 500 large-cap U.S. companies, is emphasized by its potential for growth. In the short term, the combination of anticipated Federal Reserve rate cuts and continuing market enthusiasm could prove advantageous for VOO. Long-term projections remain strong, particularly as investors recognize the value of consistency in ETF investments, making VOO a solid choice for diverse and sustained portfolio growth. The following signals have been identified for VOO. There are mostly positive signals in the chart today. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a promising outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, we can expect some support from the levels at $521.65 and $508.57. A breakdown below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5, 2024, and so far it has increased by 10.85%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 36 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 208 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $489.91 and $479.94. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, VOO finds support just below today's level at $489.91. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $479.94 and $475.20. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low for this stock. During the last day, the fund moved $3.45 between its high and low, or 0.659%. Over the last week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 0.8%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $489.91. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $508.09, reflecting a decrease of 3.54%. This exchange-traded fund experiences minimal daily fluctuations, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom established 49 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of September, we expect VOO to open down by $1.08, starting at $525.66. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.